All right, guys, today for Knot Monday, you're getting 2 knots. The sheet bend and the double sheet bend. Sheet bends are used to attach 2 lines, oftentimes of different diameters. When you do that, you want to make sure that the line with the larger diameter makes up your bite. Now, the reason you'd use a double sheet bend is because it's going to have more holding strength than a single sheet bend. So this is something you're going to use when you've got extreme differences in the diameters of both your lines. All right, we'll talk about making a single sheet bend first. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your larger diameter line and create a bite. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your smaller diameter line and you're going to take the working in and put it through the bite. Then you're going to pass it around the larger diameter line one time, going underneath itself, and this will create your single sheet bend. Now, to create a double sheet bend, we're gonna again take the larger diameter line, form a bite. We're gonna bring the working end of our smaller line through the bite, and this time, instead of passing it around the larger line once, we're gonna pass it around twice, both times going underneath itself. Then we tighten everything up, and we've got our double sheet bend. 2 knots, 1 Monday. You guys are set up to have a great week. So hit like, leave a comment, hit subscribe, and I will see you guys next week.